Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about smog. It is a combination of smoke and fog. It is caused by burning of large amounts of coal, vehicular emission and industrial fumes. It is the most common example of air pollution that occurs in many cities throughout the world. There are two types of smogs, classical smog and photochemical smog. Let us first discuss about classical smog. It occurs in cool, humid climate. It is a mixture of smoke, fog and sulfur dioxide. Chemically, it is a reducing mixture, so it is also called as reducing smog. Next, photochemical smog. This occurs in warm, dry and sunny climate. The main components result from action of sunlight on unsaturated hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides produced by automobiles and factories. It has high concentration of oxidizing agents and so called as oxidizing smog. Now let us see how this photochemical smog is formed. When the fossil fuels are burnt, pollutants such as hydrocarbons and nitric oxide are emitted into Earth's troposphere. And then a chain reaction occurs from their interaction with sunlight in which nitric oxide is converted into nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide in turn absorbs energy from sunlight and breaks up into nitric oxide and free oxygen atom. These oxygen atoms are very reactive and combine with oxygen in air to produce ozone. So, the ozone and nitrogen dioxide are strong oxidizing agents and can react with unburnt hydrocarbons in the polluted air. These produce chemicals such as formaldehyde, acrolein and peroxyacetyl nitrite. Now let us see the effects of photochemical smog. Both ozone and PAN acts as powerful eye irritants. Ozone and nitric oxide irritate the nose and throat, and their higher concentration causes headache, chest pain, dryness of throat, cough and difficulty in breathing. Photochemical smog leads to cracking of rubber and extensive damage to plant life. It also causes corrosion of metals, stones, building materials, rubber and painted surface. Now let us see how it can be controlled. If we control the primary precursors of photochemical smog such as nitrogen dioxide and hydrocarbons, the secondary precursors such as ozone and PAN can automatically be reduced. Usually catalytic converters such as platinum used in the automobiles prevent the release of nitrogen oxide and hydrocarbons into the atmosphere. Also, certain plants such as pinus, juniperus, quercus can metabolize nitrogen oxide and therefore their plantation could help in this matter. Now let us see a question based on this. Consider the following statements regarding smog. Statement number 1. Photochemical smog is also known as reducing smog. This is false because it is oxidizing smog. Statement number 2. Classical smog occurs in cool, humid climate. This is true. And statement number 3. Photochemical smog is a mixture of smoke, fog and sulfur dioxide. This is false because sulfur dioxide is in classical smog. So the question, which of the following statements are false? The answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Thank you.